Good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I hope you all are doing great. These are the free coaching classes for the exams like SSC, Polycet, and Tsrjc 2025. And as you all know, today we have our biology session. Okay, so in this class, we will be doing biology, and our today's topic is nutrition. Okay, students, so we will be discussing questions from the topic nutrition. You will get 30 seconds to answer each question. And in case if you have any queries, please drop your queries in the chat box. We will discuss that. Okay. And if any topic is there you want me to explain, please let me know that also. Okay. Let's start the session. I hope. And yes, please make the session interactive. Okay. Write your answers in the chat box. As many answers as you know, because these are very important questions. Okay, so first question we have, the causes for vomiting are, and your options are number one, overeating, option number two, food containing high proportion of fat, option number three, when we eat something very indigestible or poisonous, or is it option number four, all the above? Hurry up. Your 30 seconds have already started. Okay, students. So all those you know who know the answers, start answering in the chat box. Quick, students. Okay. As I can see, maximum of you have answered option number four, all the above. And yes, you all are correct, students. All the above are the reason of vomiting, overeating, high proportion of fat also, and when we eat something very indigestible also. Excellent, students. Andrew, Sujata, Akhila, everyone is right. Everyone. Well done. Next question, students. The first enzyme to mix with the food in the digestive system is, and your options are number one, amylase, option number two, pepsin, option number three, trypsin, or is it option number four, lipase? Hurry up, students. The first enzyme to mix with the food in the digestive system. Amylase, pepsin, trypsin, or lipase? Come on. Okay, your 30 seconds are over. And the correct answer for this question is option number one, amylase. Okay, so all those who have selected option number one, you all are correct. I can see Lucky, Andrew, Akhila, Sujata, and Wangapalli, Gajula. Every one of you are right. Okay, salivary amylase is secreted in the mouth. Okay, and this is an enzyme found in our saliva. So when the food mixes with saliva, the first enzyme is salivary amylase. So amylase is the correct answer. All those who have selected option number one, you all are correct. Next question. The internal energy or cellular energy reserve in autotrophs is, and your options are number one, proteins, option number two, fatty acids, option number three, glycogen, or is it option number four, starch? Students, I'm going to reduce the time as we move ahead. So increase your speeds. The internal energy reserve in autotroph is proteins, fatty acid, glycogen, or starch. Hurry up, children. Well done. Excellent. Excellent. All of you are correct. The correct answer is option number 4. I can see everyone has written the correct answer. It's very impressive. You all are doing excellent. Keep answering like the students. Next question. Where are proteins first digested in the alimentary canal? And your options are number 1, mouth. Option number 2, stomach. Option number 3, esophagus. Or is it option number 4, small intestine? Focus on the question, students. We are asking about proteins. Where are proteins first digested in the alimentary canal? Mouth, stomach, esophagus, or small intestine? Let me see how many of you are correct. Hurry up, children. Hurry up. Few more seconds left. Okay. Your time is over. The correct answer is option number 2, stomach. Proteins are first digested in the stomach. Okay. So those who have selected option number 2, you only they are correct. There is a dilemma between 1, 4, but the correct answer is option number 2. Okay. Next question. The process of digestion in humans is completed in, and your options are number 1, stomach. Option number 2, large intestine. Option number 3, esophagus. Or is it option number 4, small intestine? The process of digestion in human is completed in stomach, large intestine, esophagus, or small intestine. Quick, children. Okay, your time is up. The correct answer is okay. The correct answer for this question is option number 4, small intestine, not 1 and 2. Okay. The process of digestion is completed in small intestine. Okay. Reddy, Varnapuli, Lucky, Venkataya, and all those who have selected option number 4, you all are right, students. Next question. Deficiency of biotin results in dash. And your options are number 1, burning feet. Option number 2, nerves disorders. Option number 3, anemia. Or is it option number 4, pellagra? Deficiency of biotin results in burning feet, nervous disorder, anemia, or pellagra. What will be the right answer? Done? Okay. The correct answer for this question is option number 2, nerves disorder. Okay. Sometimes it also causes burning feet also, but the most appropriate answer will be option number 2. So all those who have selected nerves disorder, they all are right. Okay, if nerve disorder option would not be there, then the correct answer would be burning feet. Understood, students? Next question. The chemical name of vitamin B3. And your options are number one, thiamine. Option number two, riboflavin. Option number three, niacin. Or is it option number four, pyridoxine? Quick, students. Yes, everyone is right. The correct answer is niacin. Akhila, Sidhu, Varna, Andrew, Vemula, Sujata, and all those who have selected option number three, you all are correct students. I won't be able to take everyone's name, but you all are doing great students, answering very correctly. Keep this energy and spirit maintained in the entire class. Next question. Chloroplast from cells were isolated by dash. And your options are number one, plateau. Option number two, Cavendish. Option number three, Daniel 1, or you can say I, Arnon, or is it option number four, Engelmann? Chloroplasts from cells were isolated by Plateau, Cavendish, Daniel 1, Arnon, or Engelmann. Hurry up, children. Only 30 seconds you have. Okay. I'm revealing the correct answer. That is option number three, Daniel 1, Arnon. Okay. So those who have selected option three, only you all are right. Okay. I can see Gajula and Lata Shetty. Only two students have answered. I mean, all those who have selected option three, you all are right. But these two names were the first names that are reflecting on my screen. So I have taken their name. Next question. Chlorophyll pigment contains one atom of dash. And your options are number one, iron. Option number two, magnesium. Option number three, potassium. Or is it option number four, calcium? Chlorophyll pigment contains one atom of dash. Iron, magnesium, potassium, or calcium? I think this question everyone should know the answer. Yes? Let me see how many of you are answering it correctly. Okay, very nice. All right, students. The correct answer is option number two, magnesium. Okay. So I can see maximum of you have replied option number two. So the correct answer is option two only. Next question. Which part of the dodder plant or cascata forms hostoria? And your options are number one, root. Option number two, stem. Option number three, leaf. Or is it option number four, all the above? Which part of the daughter plant forms hostoria? Root, stem, leaf, or all the above? Do you know what is hostoria? Okay, students, the correct answer is option 2 only. And I can see many of you are correct. Let me take few names. Darsham Sagar. Then we have Vinay, Sujata, and all those who have selected option number 2, STEM. You all are correct. Okay, next question. Carbohydrate digestion do not occur in this part of the alimentary canal. And your options are number 1, mouth. Option number 2, esophagus. Option number 3, stomach. Or is it option number 4, small intestine? Try to answer within 30 seconds, students. Okay, time's up. The correct answer for this question is option number 2, esophagus. Okay, carbohydrate digestion do not occur in esophagus. Okay, next question. Intake of fiber food avoids. And your options are number 1, defecation. Option number 2, constipation. Option number 3, absorption. Or is it option number 4, indigestion? This is a logical question, and I know everyone will write the correct answer of this question. Intake of fiber-rich food avoids what? Defecation, constipation, absorption, or indigestion? Okay, I can see there is a confusion between option number 3 and option number 2. So let me clear the confusion. The correct answer is option number 2, constipation. Okay? So those who have selected option number 2, you all are correct. Next question. The end product of photosynthesis are, and your options are number 1, glucose, option number 2, oxygen, option number 3, water, or is it option number 4, all the above? End product of photosynthesis, we are asking students. Hurry up. End product of photosynthesis. The correct answer is option number 4, all the above. Okay. Next question. The intermediate compound that participate in synthesis of glucose is, and your options are number 1, oxaloacetic acid, option number 2, succinic acid, option number 3, ribulose diphosphate, or is it option number 4, acetyl-CoA? The intermediate compound that participate in synthesis of glucose is oxaloacetic acid, succinic acid, ribulose diphosphate, or acetyl-CoA. Which one will be the correct answer? Let me see what my students are writing in the answers. All right, I can see maximum of you are saying option number one, oxaloacetic acid. Okay, and yes, oxaloacetic acid is the right answer. So, this over here, yes. So here just we are selecting this. Option number three will not be there, and the correct answer is oxaloacetic acid. Okay. Moving ahead, nutrients present in balanced diet are, and your options are number one, carbohydrate and proteins. Option number three, fats and vitamins. Option number three, minerals. Or is it option number four, all the above? Again, very easy question. Hurry up, children. The question is very easy. Excellent. Excellent. Andrew, Sujata, Lucky, Varna, Reddy, Harshita, Venkataya, Akhila, Nambi. Yes, all the above is the right answer. Well done. Next question. This vitamin is synthesized by bacteria present in the intestine. And your options are number one, cyanocobalamin. Option number two, pyridoxine. Option number three, folic acid. Or is it option number four, pantothenic acid? This vitamin is synthesized by bacteria present in the intestine. Cyanocobalamin, pyridoxine, folic acid, or pantothenic acid. Okay, someone is saying option number two, someone is saying option number three, some is saying option number four, but the correct answer will be option number three, folic acid. Okay, not cyanocobalamin, but folic acid. So all those who have selected option number three, folic acid, they all are correct. Just a second. Okay, students. Cyanocobalamin is also the correct one. The vitamin is this vitamin is also synthesized by bacteria only, cyanocobalamin. Okay. Moving ahead, the role of acid in stomach is, and your options are number one, it kills harmful germs. Option number two, HCl creates an acidic medium. Option number three, both one and two. Option number four, none of the above. The role of acid in stomach is it kills harmful germs. HCl creates an acidic medium, both 1 and 2, or none of the above. Your 30 seconds are running, students. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3, both 1 and 2. Yes, Vemula, Vinay, Venkataya, Harshita, Namvi, you all are correct. Okay? The correct answer is option number 3. Next question. These ions produced in photolysis forms water and oxygen. And your options are number 1, OH ions, option number 2, OH plus ions, option number 3, Cl minus ions, or is it option number 4, H plus ions? Hurry up, children. Start answering in the chat box. These ions produced in photolysis forms water and oxygen. OH minus ions or hydroxyl ions. Option number 2, OH plus ions or hydroxide ions. Option number 3, chloride ions, or is it option number 4, hydrogen ions? Come on, I'm waiting for your answers. Okay, students, the correct answer is OH minus ions. Okay, so all those who have selected option number 1 or OH minus ions, you all are right. We all know H plus and OH minus gives H2O. Okay, so OH minus ions is the right answer. Okay, water soluble vitamins are, and your options are number 1, A, D, K vitamins, option number 2, B complex and C vitamins, option number 3, vitamin A, K, and E, or is it option number 4, vitamin A, B complex vitamins? Water soluble vitamins are ADK vitamins, B complex and C vitamins, vitamins A, K, and E, or is it option number 4, B complex vitamins? Yes. Lucky, Lata, Andrew, Akhila, Reddy, Chintamani, Vemula, Varna, Harshita, Sujata, you all are correct. Vitamin B complex and C is the right answer. Next question. The first step in photosynthesis is, and your options are number 1, photolysis of water, option number 2, production of ATP and comma NADPH, option number 3, carbon dioxide reduction, or is it option number 4, excitation of chlorophyll? The first step in photosynthesis is photolysis of water, production of ATP and NADPH. Option number 3, carbon dioxide reduction, or is it option number 4, excitation of chlorophyll? The correct answer is excitation of chlorophyll. because when the sunlight will fall on the leaf, then only chlorophyll will excite, and then only the other processes like photolysis can be carried out. So the correct answer is option number 4. Okay. Next question. The opening and closing of the stomatal pores depend on, and your options are number 1, temperature, option number 2, minerals, option number 3, water in guard cells, or is it option number 4, oxygen? Opening and closing of stomatal pores depends on temperature, minerals, water in guard cells, or oxygen. Students, the correct answer is water in guard cells. Okay. Sidhu Verma, do you want to say something? Please say in English language. Okay, students. So all those who have selected option 3, you all are correct. Moving ahead. The oxygen liberated during photosynthesis by green plants comes from, and your options are number 1, glucose, option number 2, water, option number 3, carbon dioxide, or is it option number 4, chlorophyll? Oxygen liberated during photosynthesis by green plants comes from glucose, water, carbon dioxide, or it is chlorophyll. Okay. The correct answer for this question is option number 2, water. Next question. This we have already done. Where do proteins first digested in the alimentary canal? And your options are number 1, mouth, option number 2, esophagus, option number 3, stomach, or is it option number 4, small intestine? Hurry up, children. Where do proteins first get digested in the alimentary canal? The correct answer for this question is number 3, stomach. Okay, so stomach is the right answer. Okay, deficiency of thiamine causes, and your options are number 1, glossitis, option number 2, scurvy, option number 3, anemia, or is it option number 4, beriberi? Also tell me the name, common name for thiamine. Okay, I can see maximum of you are saying option 4. So let's check it. Yes, you all are correct. The correct answer is very, very easy. Next question. This disease is due to deficiency of proteins and calories. And your options are number one, kwashiorkor, option number two, marasmus, option number three, obesity, or is it option number four, pellagra? This disease is due to deficiency of proteins and calories. Kwashiorkor, marasmus, obesity, or pellagra. The correct answer is option number two, marasmus. Okay. Sujata, Nambi, Shobha, and Vinay Patel. You all are correct, students. Well done. Next question. The reason for malnutrition in our country. There are lots of reasons. Number one, poor health, willful starvation. Option number two, lack of awareness of nutritional habits. Option number three, socio-economic factors. Or is it option number four, all the above? The reasons for malnutrition in our country. Poor health, willful starvation, lack of awareness of nutritional habits, socio-economic factors, or all the above. And yes, the correct answer is option number four, all the above. Well done, students. Well done. You all are doing great. Excellent. I'm so impressed to see your energy, students. Next question. We can avoid indigestion by, and your options are number one, having simple, well balanced diet. Option number two, eating food in a leisurely manner. Option number three, thoroughly masticating food and taking violent exercise after eating the food. Or is it option number four, all the above? We can avoid indigestion by having simple, well balanced diet, eating food in a leisurely manner, thoroughly masticating food, and taking violent exercise after eating food, or all the above. Yes, you all are correct. The answer is option number four, all the above. Next question. The vitamin which helps in healing of wounds and fracture of bones is, and your options are number one, vitamin K, option number two, vitamin C, option number three, vitamin D, or is it option number D? The vitamin which helps in healing of wounds and fracture of bones is KCDA. Okay, the correct answer is option number two, vitamin C. Okay. Next question. The vitamin required for the synthesis of nucleic acid is, and your options are number 1, tocopherol, option number 2, folic acid, option number 3, cyanocobalamin, or is it option number 4, riboflavin? The vitamin required for the synthesis of nucleic acid is tocopherol, folic acid, cyanocobalamin, or is it riboflavin? Alright, students, your 30 seconds are over. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2, folic acid. Okay, Reddy, Nambi, Harshita, you all are correct. The names that I have taken. Okay. Okay, this vitamin is known as anti-sterility vitamin. And your options are number 1, A, option number 2, B, option number 3, K, option number 2 is B12. Option number 3 is vitamin K, or is it option number 4, E? This vitamin is known as anti-sterility vitamin. Vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin K, or is it vitamin E? Okay. Anyone who knows the answer? Alright, students. The correct answer is option number 4, vitamin E. Okay, Reddy and Akhila. Then Anita also. You all are correct. Okay, students, option number 4 is the right answer. Pernicious anemia occurs due to the deficiency of, and your options are number 1, vitamin B6, option number 2, vitamin B12, option number 3, vitamin B3, or is it option number 4, vitamin B2? We are talking about pernicious anemia. Hurry up, children. Okay, the correct answer is option number 2, vitamin B12. Okay, next question. Fat soluble vitamins are, and your options are number 1, vitamin A, option number 2, vitamin B and C, option number 3, vitamin A, D, E, and K, or is it option number 4, vitamin A, B, and C? Fat soluble, we are asking students. All right, the correct answer is option number 3, vitamin A, D, E, and K. Next question. In these animals, a small intestine is the longest part in digestive system. And your options are number 1, carnivore, option number 2, herbivore, option number 3, omnivore, or is it option number 4, all the above? In these animals, the small intestine is the longest part in the digestive system. Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, or all the above? The correct answer is option number 2, herbivores. Okay? So those who have selected option number 2, you all are correct. Okay? All right, students. That's all for today's class. Okay? We will meet again with new upcoming videos in the upcoming classes. Till then, stay tuned. And yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel, that is JET program, and do refer to your friends and family members also, so that everyone can be benefited by these free coaching classes. Okay? All right, students, thanks for watching. Bye bye.